Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibes. Thanks for your wonderful comments. Send in a hearty congratulations to all persons who correctly identified the Norwegian cruise ships mentioned in yesterday's presentation. The ships mentioned were the Getaway, the Breakaway, the Epic, and the Bliss. The Bliss is our brand new baby, debuts in summer 2018, and within a few months we will begin taking your bookings. Today's special offer is a 7-night sailing on the Norwegian Getaway. It's a new ship, inaugurated in January 2014. We sailed, my husband and I, on her from Manhattan on that cold wintry day. What an experience that turned out to be. Accommodations on the Getaway range from studio cabins for solo travelers to luxury haven suites. Let's talk about the havens, shall we? Benefit from exclusive keycard access to haven concierge and butler service 24 hours per day. There's a separate living room, dining area, and guest bathroom. It also offers floor-to-ceiling windows and an extra wraparound private balcony. Floor-to-ceiling windows and an extra spacious wraparound private balcony is yours to enjoy for entertaining or just for lounging. Benefit from priority embarkation and disembarkation, and this is priceless when you have a ship that seats or sleeps more than 4,000 persons. Exclusive access to the haven courtyard, dedicated valet providing personalized service from taking drink orders to setting your special dining arrangements. Exclusive access to the haven's private pool, sun deck, hot tubs, and fitness area are just a part of what is special when you are an Avon client. Now there is so much more to love about the Getaway. Stay with us. We will continue to share the benefits of sailing the Norwegian way. It's feel free, freestyle the Norwegian way. Remember, we are open for booking. We have a very short window that will allow you to do a $50 only deposit. That's $50 only on your sailing all the way through to April 2018. Think about it. Place your deposits now. Plan your trips around those dates. Get a few friends and families as a part of this particular sailing, and you will have a wonderful trip. Personally, I am suggesting that you do a December 2017 sailing. It's only $50 down and you have one entire year to make your payments. Alrighty, that was great. Nice spending time with you as we talk about one of my favorite ships, the Norwegian Getaway.